Cardano is hitting a critical Fibonacci level right along a descending trend line. And we're going to take a look and see where potentially this could break to the upside. What's up, everybody? James here with Myself Invested, helping you make the best investment, which is in yourself. In this video, we're going to be talking about Cardano, an altcoin, a crypto that I'm really excited about just because of what we see on the chart. So let's take a look right now. So we are on the weekly time frame with Cardano ADA, and what we could see is this downward slope over the past, let's see, almost 6 months. This has really been almost a pretty calculated move down, because we've come right to prior support that we had all throughout the early part of 2021. And now we are basically back to those same levels. And what's interesting is that if we take our Fibonacci retracement tool, you will see that we are basically right on the 618 level. And it's really interesting because price is also reacting off of some of the other Fibonacci levels, like the 236 level, the 382 level, obviously the 50 level, and the 618 as well. One thing I also like to pay attention to is the angle of some of these retracements. So as you can see right here, we've got this 45-degree retracement. And so I like those different angles, like 45 degrees or 30 degrees, where it's almost like it's calculated where it's coming down to. And we are sitting right below this angle, but we're also at support. So could we possibly see a green candle on the next, or on this current or the next candle, that would break this trend line? Possibly. That's what we're looking for. And so let's zoom into the daily time frame, where we can maybe anticipate where this would be happening. And right now, at the time of this recording, there is only a few minutes left on this daily candle. And boy, oh boy, am I liking this. First of all, we've got this descending trend line that we're hitting resistance off of. But we also have this level of support here towards the bottom. And with this level of support, it looks like it's creating a descending triangle. And we've got price breaking below it, and it's coming up right back to it. Now, you might think that, oh, this is breaking and retesting, and it possibly could be. And that's what we'll have to pay attention to. However, we do have to understand that there is a price pattern called the Wyckoff Accumulation pattern. And right now, this is looking somewhat similar to the Wyckoff Accumulation pattern. Let me just see if I can. So with the Wyckoff Accumulation phase, we get a selling climax. This is price moving down, a selling climax, multiple tests on support, and then usually we get a break below support. Then it comes back up, testing the top part of the trading range, and then it marks up to higher highs. So right now you can see that we had the last point of supply, selling climax with lots of volume, multiple tests to the downside. We tested the upper bound. We broke below the trading range, the support line. Then we are getting our potential spring right here with this bullish engulfing candle. I love looking for these bullish engulfing candles because usually there is follow through. There's usually bullish follow through once we get a bullish engulfing candle. Now, the thing that we do have to pay attention to is that price is breaking below this support line, and then price is coming right back there to possibly retest this. Some people might be looking at this chart and saying, yes, it's going lower, Price is just breaking out and then retesting, and then we're going to see further downside. But keeping in mind this Wyckoff accumulation phase, this is exactly what it's designed to do. It's designed to basically trap people. This is considered a bear trap, where you've got price breaking below, it comes up to retest. You're getting in at a better price if you're looking to short, but then price just continues on. People get stopped out. So then that just drives the price further up. So I'm pretty excited to see what is going to happen with this candle close here in just a few minutes. And I love seeing this bullish engulfing candle because, like I said, there's usually some follow through with that. So where do I think price could go after this? I mean, we're sitting at $1.20, where historically $1.20 on Cardano has been a very significant level for support and resistance. And so we are literally right there. I mean, this is like a turning point. I feel like it could be a turning point either way, bullish or bearish for Cardano, just based upon prior price action. So if we are to come up and break out of this range and come up higher, I do think that we will basically go until we get to our prior kind of major support levels, which will probably turn into resistance. So we're looking at $1.90. So from $1.20 to $1.90 is where I think we could go if we see this follow through down here. And this could take, a couple of months. I mean, we're in the middle of January, towards the beginning, middle of January, but this could honestly take, an entire month to even get to these levels, mid-February, something like that. And so it might even chop around for a little bit before it does that. So we just kind of have to be patient. But right now I am looking to see what happens next with Cardano on this next candle. I think I will be adding to my position right here just because of this bullish engulfing candle. And we have some slight bullish divergence. You can see we've got lower lows on the price action and we've got higher lows on the RSI. This is a bullish signal, and you could see that we found some support and now we might be breaking out. So this is where I'm looking to possibly enter, especially if we break, retest, and go higher. That's where I'm looking at, right around the $1.20 mark. Like I said, this has been another significant level for Cardano. So that's what I've got. I'm going to be paying attention very closely over the next few hours just to see what happens. If you like this video, if you found this helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button. I appreciate that so much. My name is James with Myself Invested, helping you make the best investment, which is in yourself. I'll talk to you later.